Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get more storage on iPad. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, let's go to our settings, go to General, and let's go to iPad storage. This is where we can see the breakdown of our storage, what takes up the most, and how much storage you have left. And you should have this recommendation section, and you can go through this list and see which actions you can do. You can also click on show all right here and see more options that you can do to free up some storage. First is to upload unused apps. If you have apps that you don't use frequently anymore, you can enable this one and your iPad will automatically upload them when you're low on storage. And another is to empty your recently deleted album. You can click on empty right there and select delete from this iPad. So it will permanently delete all your photos and videos that you have deleted from your Photos app or your camera roll. You can also enable iCloud Photos, which will automatically upload and safely store all your photos and videos in iCloud. So it backs them up and that frees up storage from your iPad, but still keep your photos and videos within your iCloud. Once we scroll down, you can then see all your apps and we can sort it by size by clicking on this option right here at the top right and make sure you have selected size. And the app at the top should be the one that takes up a lot of storage from your iPad. And for example, I have the Photos app on top. So if it is like this on yours as well, we can utilize iCloud. So to do that, let's go to our profile name at the top left, go to iCloud, and let's click on see all right here in line with save to iCloud. Make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on like this, and you can also enable to sync this iPad like that. And again, it will free up some storage on your iPad by uploading your photos on there. And make sure that you have selected to optimize iPad storage. You can go through this list and see which ones you can enable to free up more storage on your iPad. And once I go back and click on your storage right here at the top, your iCloud storage, you can then change storage plan. So you can get more storage for your iCloud and also free up some storage from your iPad because it is backed up on iCloud regarding your photos and documents that you upload on here. You can do that by clicking on this manage iCloud storage, change storage plan, and you can then select see all plans and see which one is feasible for you. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.